Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset MSI Roamii Lite Mesh System. So we will need to reset this device if it says no internet or is not working at all. Moreover, in case if you forgot your user login ID or password, then also you can reset this device. So to start with, first plug this unit into a power source and wait for at least 2 minutes or until it reboots. After that, grab a pin or paper clip and put it inside the reset hole of this unit present on the back side for around 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, release the pin and let your MSI Roamii Lite Mesh System reboot. It will then take around 2 minutes or more to get started again. After this, you can set it up from scratch. Lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my efforts. Thank you.